happy birthday. Wish you have a good health, more blessings, and stay beautiful at 40. Happy birthday. I miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, P. As young as 40, ang dami mo ng pagpapalang dumating sa buhay. Alam ko, marami pa ang darating dahil sa kagandahan ng iyong puso. Be the best in all ways for the glory of the Lord. I know how beautiful you are inside and out. Never get tired of doing good for the Lord. Happy 40th. I love you, and I love you.
Happy birthday, bro! Bakit pretty si Pia? Kasi the beauty from the outside just reflects what's on the inside.
At syempre, hindi naman kukuha ng pangit si Papa Ray. O Papa Ray, pa-Gcash mo na lang ha.
Happy birthday, bro! We love you!
Bye-bye!
Bakit pretty si Pia? Kasi siya ang aming alternate toss ng basketball team at ang buong CU. Happy birthday, Dre. Mahal kita. Alam mo yan. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Ate Pia! So, bakit nga ba pretty si Ate Pia? Syempre, una sa lahat, mana syempre kay Nanay Ems. Okay, so Ate Pia is pretty because of her character,
Charm,
and love for God. Enjoy your day, Ate Pia! We love you! We miss you! Shout out kay Drake Pogi! Hi, Drake!
Bakit nga ba maganda si Pia? Kasi generous siya. Kasi sweet siya. Kasi thoughtful siya. And kasi si Jesus nasa heart niya. Happy birthday, P! I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I pray may you continue to grow in the grace and knowledge of our Lord as He makes you tread new heights. Aja! Fighting lang! Love you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Pia! This is Jimmy Shanks. Eat Bulaga!
Hi, Ate P! Happy birthday! Happy 40th birthday! Grabe, 40 ka na pala, pero sobrang baby face mo kasi. And kung 40 ka na, ibig sabihin, magto-20 na ako. Joke lang. So, ayun, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you feel all the love and the peace around you today. Lahat ng good things na pwede mong ma-feel on your birthday and on the following days of your life. Sana ma-feel mo lang yun lagi. And may pa-question si Kuya Rai, bakit pretty si Pia? Tinatanong pa ba yun? Parang very obvious naman na because of the physics, napakaganda inside and outside. Yung pagiging mommy mo kay Drake, yung pagiging asawa mo kay Kuya Ryan, mabuting anak and mabuting ate, siguro yun talaga yun. Yung nagde-define ng bakit ka pretty. Ayun. Happy birthday, Ate P. I love you. See you soon.
Hi, P! Kumusta na? Kumusta na yung maganda kong kapatid? Anyway, andito yung anak mo. Tsaka ito, si Remrem. Just want you to greet happy 40th birthday. 40 ka na, te. Tanda na. Pero pretty pa rin, di ba? Well, sabi nga nila, life begins at 40, pero hindi ka naman mukhang 40. Di ba? So, we all wish you a happy birthday, more blessings, good health, at saka more blessings pa sa karir mo. Oh, ang inanak mo, may sasabihin daw sa'yo.
Happy birthday ni Nang. 40th birthday na daw inyo. Ninyo. 40th birthday na daw. Medyo matagal na rin yung last natin kita. Like grade 10 pa yata ako or grade 11. Ayun. Pero expect ko naman walang nagbago sa walang nagbago sa'yo nung last nakita natin. Pero ayun lang, more blessings to come sa inyo. And enjoy more happiness to come. Yan lang. Ikaw.
Ayun, happy 30th birthday.
40! Pinabata ka ng 10 taon, P.
Happy 40th birthday.
40 but looks 30, di ba?
Ayun.
Ang
Safe kayo.
ka-birthday mo, sis.
Maganda pogi ang February 28.
Ayun nga, sabi nga, may nagpapatanong, bakit daw pretty si Tita Pia? Sabi ko nga, ito lang sagot ko. Simple lang. Wala namang pangit sa mga santos, di ba? Yan. Di ba? Anyway, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, sis. At saka, kita tayo sa bakasyon ko. Bye!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, Pia. We love
Let's
you.
do our happy birthday thing. Like,
One,
happy
two,
birthday,
three.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
No. Like that. Happy birthday.
Hindi na, game yun.
No.
Say happy birthday, Tita Pia.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pia. I love you so much and I miss you so much. Well, this is your 14th birthday.
Yes, 14th birthday. 1-4.
1-4. So, dalaga ulit. Welcome to the club.
Mainit ang mata.
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club, Pia. And I know that the Lord will bless you with longer life and healthy life, and that we will see each other one day here or there or everywhere. We love you so much. I hope you'll enjoy your day with your family.
Yes.
And what else?
God bless you more.
God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Goodbye.
Happy birthday.
Bye, Pia.
Hello, Ate Pia. Happy birthday. I thank God because God gave you to me and to us to become our leader. Ate P, thank you for supporting me and for teaching me how to become a better and good leader to my small group. And thank you for all the support, sa mga advice na binibigay mo sa akin. And you are beautiful because you are my leader and because God made you perfectly, wonderfully, and fearfully made. Ayun, may God continue to use you to advance His kingdom, to be an extension of God's love, God's grace, and God's blessing to others, and let us continue to share the good news pa din. And God bless you today and your family, and Kuya Ryan, may God continue to be the center of your relationship because God is the source of everything. Again, enjoy your day and God bless you.
Birthday! More than a decade na tayo magkaibigan and I really enjoyed your company, lalo na pag nagta-travel tayo with our families. You are such a blessings to all of us. July 26, 2020, when you invited me to join your small group, there I got to know you better. You're being persistent, at saka yung encouragement mo helped me build my confidence to have a relationship with Jesus Christ. And thank you dahil sa'yo, nakilala ko siya. Di mababayaran yung dedication mo sa work, sa family, sa church. You hold God's words close to your heart. And your kindness is a reflection of your beautiful soul. This is one of the many reasons why pretty si Pia, hindi lang dahil sa dimples, at saka mana kay Mamita, at saka kay Papa. Happy birthday again, my friend, my favorite sister in Christ. I love you, My family loves you. We love your family. Enjoy the rest of the day. God bless.
Maganda ang aming Pia Pot. Imagine you're going 40, turning 40. Wow, ganda-ganda pa din. And why are you so pretty? I thought why Pia is so pretty.
Eh, syempre, maganda yung nanay. Maganda yung pogi ng tatay. Saan pa magmamana yan? Kaya, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Pia Pot.
I agree, Pia Pot. Ginawa ka ng Diyos na simula pa maliit, maganda na inside out. Lumaki kang kakilala ka namin, kaya kahit na mag 70, 80 ka or 100, you will still be pretty inside out. God bless you. Happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pia Pot.
We love you. See you soon.
What makes Pia beautiful? When I heard that question, I thought about the first time I met Pia. I met Pia at a dinner. So friends, dinner, karay-karay siya ni Ryan. That time, I've been hearing a lot about good things about her. How pretty she is, how sweet, and all those good stuff. And so we were at the dinner. I was like, oh my gosh, she looks like Mama Mary. So with the dimples, with those sweet eyes, with those smiles, sino hindi mapafall, right? So yeah, but what makes Pia makes her beautiful, more beautiful, is her faith with God. Faith in God. I witnessed it. You know, lunch break during those Standard Chartered times. Yeah, she will take her notes from her Bible studies and she will tend to her church duties even though walang tulog. And what makes her more beautiful is how she cares for others, how she cares for me as a friend. I've witnessed it. I felt it and I'm still feeling it. And her love to her family. And she's always there to everybody, for everybody. And she's a selfless person. She is, she loves her family so much. And she is always put her family and her love to God above all. So, I'm so amazed with her being like that. It's a natural for her. She's a sweet person. She's too kind. So sweet na pinagsasalosa ng mga asawa at girlfriend ng barkada namin. But you know, they tend to love. They eventually love her and understand that's her nature. So beautiful as is, inside out, no question. So, happy birthday, my dearest Pia. Congratulations on turning the big O. You have accomplished so much in your life, and to think you're just getting started. So they said life begins at 40, so welcome. And life will spicier. And I'm excited for you. So, and you always look fabulous. So, happy birthday to you. Hope you will get pampered by Derek and Ryan and the rest of your friends and family there. And I do hope to see you soon. I miss you. I love you. And have a wonderful and fantastic day. I wish you will all get all your wishes and all your heart's desires. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Pia! Happy birthday! 30 ka na pala, no? 10 years ago. At ngayon, nagse-celebrate ka na ng birthday mo. Grabe, we are rejoicing with you. And we are happy for you as well as we are celebrating with you. Alam namin na marami nang ginawa ang Lord sa'yo at marami pa siyang gagawin. And we pray na God will just surprise you. Hindi lang sa araw na ito, even sa mga araw pang darating. Dahil nakita ng Panginoon ang puso mo. And just like what His promise, as you desire God and put Him first, He will also give you the desires of your heart. Di ba, Ma?
Yes. Happy birthday, Pretty Pia at 40.
Yun!
Parang
Yun.
ano yung Peter Piper.
Oo.
X. Happy birthday, And sabi nga, yung question, bakit Pretty Pia? Kasi
You're
hindi
pretty.
pangit.
Tama. Masyadong malalim ang tanong sa malalim na sagot. Yun. But kidding
Happy birthday.
We say that you're pretty, Pia, simply because you're pretty inside out. Kung yung nandiyan sa loob mo is just manifesting on the outside. So again, on behalf of the Womanites, we celebrate with you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Pia. Aba, 40 na pero still look young. And alam ko kung bakit. Anong secret mo? Kasi you have a childlike heart. Diba? So yung qualities ng childlike innocence, you are honest, and then simple, tsaka loving. So yun yung secret mo, alam ko, kaya at your age, yung aura mo parang nasa 20s na lang, or parang 18, parang ganun. Hindi. So yun, and pero yung main ingredient yung youthful looks mo is like a child, how you trust your Father in heaven, diba? Si Papa God. Alam ko na you're such a religious person and you trust God more than anything else. You prioritize Him. Kaya si God, binibigyan ka niya ng energy din, like a child. And syempre, yung aura mo, di ba, always good. Kasi si God yung nasa heart mo palagi. So I think yan yung secret mo for your bagets looks. So ayun, I miss you so much, Insan. I wish you have a good health and more blessings. I love you. I miss you.
Hi, Pia. Happy 40th birthday. You're beautiful inside and out. Pretty face, beautiful heart. You're a good daughter, sister, friend, wifey, mommy, lahat na. You're God-fearing and God-loving. I miss you. I love you. Video call soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pia.
Love you.
Kailan kayo susunod?
Bakit maganda si Pia? Kasi napapalibutan siya ng mga gwapong lalaki katulad ko sa data center. So, happy birthday, Pia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pia.
Happy birthday, Pia. Hope we see you soon pag uwi namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nina.
Happy birthday, pamangkin.
Happy birthday, Tita P. Ingat palagi, God
Ingat
bless.
lagi.
See you soon.
Bakit daw siya maganda hanggang ngayon? Sagot.
It runs in the blood.
O, ikaw?
Same.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Maligayang bati.
Pia, happy birthday. I miss you and I'm really looking forward na matuloy na yung sanggupsal and boxing session natin na naudlot dahil sa COVID and of course nung umalis ako dyan. But anyway, sasagutin ko na yung question na bakit nga ba ang pretty mo? Ito hindi to bola porket birthday mo, but it's simply the truth. You know, you are not just beautiful on the outside because mistisa ka, maamo ang muka, but you are also beautiful on the inside. Talagang sobrang na-appreciate ko sa'yo because you really want to please God by intentionally seeking women, discipling women, and building relationships with them. And yun yung sobrang namimiss ko sa'yo. Keep it up, and I know that God will really prosper you, not just in your family, work, and even sa ministry. You are a blessing to a lot of people. And yun lang, I pray that safe kayo dyan, healthy, and I really look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!
Hi, Pia! Sobra. Hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang take ko na tong ginagawa. Pero, nahihirapan lang ako sa venue ko kasi parang nasa, alam mo na, tumatakas lang ako actually. Well, anyway, alam mo namang super love na love kita and namimiss na kita. Sana matapos na yung pandemic para magkita na ulit tayong tatlo ni Tina Pot. Sobrang miss ko na yung bonding moment natin. Every year, nagkikita-kita tayo ngayon. Parang, alam mo na, pasilip-silip na lang. Well, anyway, about Pia, si Pia, sobrang beautiful, in and out. Sobrang ganda niya, na to the point na kung naging lalaki lang ako, baka niligawan ka siya. Ganun siya kaganda. At ganun siya kabait. Sobrang palad ni tita at ni tito, nagkaanak siya ng ganyang gandang bata. Anyway. Sobrang miss na kita, Pia. Sana makita na ulit kita. Pasensya na kung hindi kita nadadalaw dyan sa, sa BF. Sobrang lapit lang natin pag nagpumunta ako ng LP, pero hindi kita madalaw kasi alam mo naman si distansya. Kailangan distansya amigo talaga. Well, anyway, super quick lang to at mukhang feeling mo naman naghahabol ako talaga kasi anyway, I love you and happy birthday.
Birthday pala ni Pia.
Malapit talong ko.
Oo, February din pala yan.
Yes. Para sabi ko nga, panganay natin yan dahil magka-birthday sila ni Kuya.
So tingin mo ilang taon na si Pia? Tingin ko, hulaan ko mga 33.
35?
Pwede. Kung tatanungin kita, kasi di ba si Pia talagang pretty, no? Ano ang masasabi mo tungkol sa salitang pretty about Pia?
Sa akin, showing ng physical attributes na talaga naman obviously maganda siya.
Wow, talaga.
Tsaka napaka-sweet na.
Yun, sweet. Ako naman ang nakikita ko, kahit naka-mask siya ngayon, yung mata pa lang, pag nag-smile, talagang maganda. Okay, parang siya lagi naka-smile. So yun.
Aside from the physical features, yung pagiging pretty mo, beyond that.
Yun.
Kasi,
from inside out.
Yun. It reflects yung who she really is. Yung inner self niya, nagre-reflects outer.
Okay.
So, dahil doon sa pagmamahal niya sa family niya, sa mami niya, at saka sa pagmamahal niya kay God.
Sige, patingin na natin si Pia. Pia, happy birthday!
Why is Mother pretty? Number 1 is she's wonderfully made by God. Second is she have a loyal and loving husband and smart and sweet son. And last is that it's in her genes. Yeah, because of her parents. So, happy birthday, Mother. I love you. Stay pretty at 40.
Happy birthday, Pia.
Happy birthday, bro.
40s ka na.
Oo.
40s club ka na pala. Tayin mo kami dyan, 3 years na
3
lang.
years na lang kami.
Punta
Enjoy
na rin
kami
naman
ng
kami dyan.
40s.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro. Stay pretty as you are.
Yay. Happy birthday
Baby
ulit.
face ka pa rin naman kahit 40s ka na.
Oo nga.
So,
join kami dyan. Lapit na rin.
Enjoy your day, bro.
Happy
We
birthday.
love you. Mwah.
Bakit maganda si Pia? Dahil magaling mag-alaga ang kanyang asawa. Hindi siya binibigyan ng problema. God bless you, Pia, and happy birthday to you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Pia! Why is Pia is pretty? Because maganda ang kalooban niya at lumalabas yan sa mukha niya. That's why she is always pretty and kindness. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pia! Bakit daw pretty si Pia? Bakit naman pretty si Pia?
She's very sweet. She's
Very
I
sweet.
have dimples.
Dahil sa dimples pareho kayo. Okay, ikaw?
Siyempre, kamag-anak eh.
Oh, syempre. In other
Lahi-lahi.
words, kamukha natin. Tama?
Pia, nagpakulay pa ako para lang sa birthday greeting
Natural kasi ang beauty ni Pia inside and out. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Pia.
Hi, Pia.
This morning pala, Pia, I greeted you happy birthday. Hindi mo pa pala birthday today. So, this is the real greeting that we have for you. Happy birthday, Pia. Thank you for the friendship. Salamat because of your generous heart. We know that everything goes back to you and your family in 1,000 folds.
Yes.
Salamat. Hopefully, we'll have more time to bond.
Yes.
With Ryan and of course, syempre, sa aming paboritong si Drake. Yan. Happy birthday, kapatid.
Happy birthday, Pia. Grabe yung generosity mo, grabe yung generous heart mo, sobrang pure. And we appreciate you every time na may mga season kami na nagkasakit si Christian.
Yes.
And also even yung nag-birthday ako, ikaw yung talagang grabe. Yung extra mile talaga and extra effort talaga na pinadalhan mo pa ako ng chocolate cake.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate you so much and also Ryan.
Very thoughtful kayong mag-asawa.
Yes. Sobrang thoughtful mo na as in nakakatuwa, as in nakakataba ng puso. And yun nga, katulad sa amin ni Christian na
Pati ng bil-bil na nakatawa.
may the Lord continue to bless you 1,000 and million folds. Sobrang generous mo talaga. Yun, hope to see you soon and hope to have a double date with you and Ryan.
Happy
We love you,
birthday.
Pia.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bakit nga ba maganda si Ate P? Maganda kasi Ate P kasi maganda siya inside and out. And siya na yata yung pinakamalambing na taong nakilala ko. Ayun lang, happy birthday Ate P. Enjoy your day. Hindi ka mukhang 40. Sana makavisit na kayo dito soon. Miss you and love you.
Happy birthday, Pia! I'm so blessed na naging part ako ng video message na to para sa iyong 40th birthday. And I'm so proud of you because you are finding time to minister to other people, to reach out to them. Kahit na busy ka sa trabaho mo, sa ministry mo, and then sa family kay Ryan at kay Drake, you still find time to minister to other people and disciple them. You are loved by many, and what makes you pretty is that, of course, anak tayo ng Diyos, di ba? Kaya pag anak tayo ng Diyos, maganda tayo, inside and out. So, wishing you and praying for your prosperity in life and good health, and keep doing what God wants you to do by reaching out to other people and ministering to them. Take care, and we love you, and happy 40th birthday. Stay safe and God bless.
Surprise! Happy 40th birthday, P, and welcome to the 40s Club. So ayun, so I'm sure you felt special and you were spoiled by syempre si Rai, your ever-loving husband, and of course your family and your friends there. And I want to thank you, P, for the friendship despite the distance. And despite na parang short time lang tayo nagkasama dyan. But parang I feel na parang super friends na tayo, di ba? So, yun. So, thank you, P. And may you continue to flourish in every area of your life. So, I want to answer, bakit si P pretty? So, syempre, anak siya ni Tita Emily. Hi, Tita. And yun, kasi friends tayo. And birds of the same feather. Ika nga, sabi, di ba? Flock together. So, yun. So, remember this, P. One of my favorite photos with you. So, di ba, yung pinag-drive kita, I was hoping nga na sana I could have spent more time with you, like going to Tagaytay, yung gano'n yung mommy's day out. But anyway, may mga other time pa naman in the future. Basta may notes ako. I love you being authentic. Not I love you, but you're pretty because you're authentic. Diba? Parang nalala ko tuloy ngayon being like Esther. Authentic. And then, yan, yung love mo sa family. So, being all out, what makes you pretty, and of course yung dedication mo sa work, nakaka-pretty ba yun? Oo, syempre kasi diba, when you give your best, and of course syempre when Rai takes care of you, diba, nagiging pretty ka. So yun, diba, okay ba yun, Rai? So happy birthday, P, and love you, and I miss you. Bye.
Hi, Sophia! Happy birthday! Enjoy your 40th birthday. 40th?
Pero mukha siyang bata.
Wow! Sana soon magkita rin tayo. Enjoy ka. And God bless you.
Pabigyan ng maiksi.
Hi, Sophia!
Hi, Sophia! Maraming salamat at balita namin. Nanonood ka ng mga vlogs
Followers.
namin.
Happy birthday to you!
Sana next time di lang nood, padala ka na ng pera. Para hindi mo na kailangan manood. Kikita na kami galing sa'yo talaga.
Pero hindi nga enjoy your celebration and we hope to meet you very soon. Stay safe and happy birthday!
Thank you, Sophia!
Happy birthday, Pia! Well, 40 ka na ba talaga? Hindi ako makapaniwala. Kasi parang feeling ko, forever ano ka lang, college, ganun. Nagka-baby ka lang, nagka-asawa ka lang. Pero yung ano mo, yung the way na kumilos ka, the way na sa pagkain, sa lahat. Kumbaga hindi naman sa hindi nag-mature, kaya lang, parang forever kang bata. Parang lahat naman tayo, ganun, pag nakita kita, parang ganun naman lagi tayo magkakasama. Parang kahit ako din naman, feeling ko talaga, hindi rin talaga ako tumatanda. Anyways, parang hindi ka rin din naman itsurang 40. Parang parang forever na maganda ka lang talaga. Well, kasi sobrang bait mong bata. Sobrang sobrang ikaw yung parang peg ng pagiging mabait. Pag sinabing Pia, mabait na bata, yung mabait na asawa, mabait na mami, mabait na anak, sa lahat, kapatid, pinsan, sa lahat-lahat. So yun, sobrang masaya lang ako kasi 40 ka na. Parang hindi ako nag-iisa sa 40-ish. Ayun, sana magkita na tayo soon. Wow, ang layo-layo ko, diba? Nag-drive ko nga yan eh. Sige, kung hindi ka pupunta ng Baguio, pupunta ako dyan sa Cavite. Las Piñas pala. Sorry. Ayun, I love you, P. I love you. I miss you.
But wait, Auntie. There's more.
Hi, Sophia. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Bakit maganda si P? Chos! Happy birthday, ate. Yan minsan na maganda. Pag ikaw ang nag-e-edit ng video, may video ka. Ako lang kapamilya mo na may video. Ganito, una sa lahat, gusto ko mag-thank you sa pagiging mabait na anak, na kapatid, na asawa, na nanay, na tita, na pinsan, na kaibigan. In short, mabait na tao sa lahat. Pero, wag masyado.
Huwag masyado, Mama.
Kasi, baka pag sobrang bait mo,
mapalo ka.
Joke. Yun, sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Alam mo na yan. And, thank you sa lahat kasi isa ka sa naghulma sa amin. Naghulma. Isa ka sa naging magandang halimbawa ng pagiging mabuting tao. Kaya, ka minsan tingin sa amin sablay kami din talaga eh. Minsan ginalingan mo rin eh. Pero okay lang yun. Kasi talaga naman hindi maidideny ang pagiging mabait mo. Kaya ikaw ang paborito ni Mama at ni Papa. Kasi walang question. Pag sinabing mapaborito si TJ, bakit yun? Puro barkada yun ng kabataan. Pag sinabing paborito siya, ba't yun? Lakwatserang frag yun. Pag sinabing si Pia ang paborito, wala nang tanong-tanong. Talaga nga naman. Sang-ayon naman kaming lahat doon. So, mag-enjoy ka lang kasama sila Mama, sila Papa, and the rest of the Dugong Tarikang family. And enjoy your day. And eat healthy foods. And
Also eat not sweet food.
Oh, good.
Also, don't eat lunch, only eat candies. also, you only eat no healthy fruits.
Pagsasabi mo?
Also, you can also eat the coronavirus.
Hey, that's fun.
Also, you can eat,
gulo na.
you
Nagugulo
can
na
eat
siya.
Mama's hair.
Bye. I love you. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.